I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making here an easy dish, fettuccine alfredo. I'm very picky with my sauce, so I always make my sauce homemade, not to be fancy, just because it's seriously so easy, as you'll see. And it's just good for leftovers, and it's a quick and simple, easy meal with tasting like way higher quality than it seems. So hopefully you guys like this recipe and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. So I just throw in my noodles first because the sauce takes that less of blah 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 blah. God, whatever I'm trying to say. That takes that less of time. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this again. The noodles take longer than the sauce. So you start the noodles first, and then we're gonna work on our sauce while they boil. I think the package said about 11 minutes or so. Nothing fancy there, just look at the package, whatever noodles you grab. So to start the sauce, I'm going to use unsalted butter, just the by Great Value. Because don't get the salted kind. I'm pretty sure it obviously will be too salty. The recipe I usually follow is a copycat of the recipe from Olive Garden, so you know it's gonna be good. But it only called for half a stick of butter, and so I just doubled it because I had a lot of heavy cream, and let's just face it, my family likes sauce, heavy creamy sauce. So I'm just checking on the noodles, stirring them, because if you don't stir them, they're gonna get clumpy. If you're watching my videos too and you think I'm thinking I'm a chef, I'm not. I don't think that, trust me. I just like to share easy meals, ideas basically, because that's what I struggle with. I like people sharing what they eat, basically. If it's easy, I was gonna say hard, but I'm not gonna make a hard recipe. Anyways, you get what I'm saying. I just think it's fun to share what people eat, I guess. So for doubling it, I think before it was half a cup of heavy cream, so I did a cup, unless I'm about to put 2 cups in here. I can't see the video when it does this, so then I put 2 cups. I think it's 2 cups actually, that would make sense. So, and at some point, I'm surprised I didn't see myself put garlic in here yet. I may have, I don't know. You're supposed to put garlic, so make sure you do that. I know I didn't forget it in this video, I just don't know where it's at.
Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Yep, it was 2 cups, so 1 cup is the normal size sauce recipe. 2 cups is if you like sauce. So I'm just stirring the cream and butter together, and here is where we add the garlic. You don't add it with the butter before because you do not want it to burn at all. This is not my own doing. It's just, I guess, part of the instructions in the recipe. So very smart on their part, I must say. And then you just shred your cheese. Do not get pre-shredded cheese of Parmesan, please. It's like this weird consistency, so just get like the little triangles, and it takes 2 seconds to shred the cheese yourself and throw it in there. You can do any kind of mixture too. I kind of do a couple different ones. I don't remember. I randomly did Dubliner, super random, just because I knew it was kind of like Parmesan-y, but it worked and it was good.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were